The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Therefore, guard accordingly, and take care that you entertain no notions unsuitable to virtue and reasonable nature. Marcus Aurelius, welcome to Stoic Mind. Discover how adopting these 9 Stoic principles can make you unforgettable. By embodying virtues like silence, self-control, and resilience, we create a presence that's deeply missed when absent. Join us on this journey of self-mastery and leave a lasting impact. Embrace silence and reflective thought. Picture a sage sitting by a tranquil lake deep in contemplation, undisturbed by the world's chaos. This sage embodies the essence of reflective thought, a trait that makes their absence deeply felt. In a world that values incessant chatter, the ability to embrace silence and reflect deeply sets us apart. By speaking less and listening more, we create an aura of mystery and wisdom. The moments we choose to speak become powerful, resonant with thought and meaning. Our silence is not an absence, but a presence that others deeply miss. Example: consider the thoughtful colleague who speaks only when necessary. Their words carry weight, and their silence is a source of strength. People around them crave their insights and miss their calming presence when they are absent. Stoic strategies. Practice mindfulness. Spend time each day in quiet reflection. Use meditation or journaling to cultivate inner peace. Be selective with words. Speak only when your words add value. This practice not only preserves your energy, but also amplifies your voice when you choose to speak. Silence is a lesson learned through life's many sufferings. Seneca. 2. Exhibit unwavering self-control. Envision a warrior standing firm amidst a raging storm, unflinching and composed. This warrior's stoic calm is a beacon of strength that others gravitate towards. True power lies not in controlling others, but in mastering oneself. By exhibiting self-control, especially in the face of adversity, we become pillars of strength that others rely on. When we are gone, our steadiness is what they miss the most. Example: think of the friend who remains calm during crises. Their ability to manage their emotions provides a sense of security and trust. When they are not around, their absence is keenly felt. Stoic strategies. Pause before reacting. Take a moment to breathe and assess before responding to any situation. This practice helps in maintaining composure. Focus on what you can control. Redirect energy towards your own actions and responses rather than external events. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Marcus Aurelius. Cultivate inner wisdom. Imagine a philosopher whose wisdom radiates like a lighthouse, guiding lost ships through treacherous waters. This philosopher's insights are deeply missed when absent. Wisdom is not merely the accumulation of knowledge, but the application of deep understanding in our daily lives. By cultivating inner wisdom, we become invaluable sources of guidance and support. Our absence leaves a void that is felt deeply. Example: reflect on the mentor whose advice has steered you through tough times. Their thoughtful guidance is irreplaceable, and their absence leaves a significant gap. Stoic strategies. Seek continuous learning. Dedicate time to study and understand the world and yourself. Read philosophical texts, engage in meaningful discussions, and reflect on experiences. Apply wisdom in actions. Let your knowledge inform your decisions and actions, demonstrating the practical application of your inner wisdom. The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. Socrates. Practice compassion and empathy. Picture a healer whose touch and words bring solace to the suffering. This healer's compassion is a balm that is sorely missed when they are not present. Compassion and empathy are the bedrocks of human connection. By practicing these virtues, we build strong bonds and foster deep relationships. Our genuine care and understanding make our presence cherished and our absence profoundly felt. Example: think of the empathetic friend who always listens and offers support. Their compassion creates a safe space, and their absence is a significant loss to those who depend on them. Stoic strategies. Listen actively. Truly hear what others are saying without judgment or interruption. This practice strengthens connections. Show kindness. Small acts of kindness and understanding go a long way in building deep, meaningful meaningful relationships. Wherever there is a human being, there is an opportunity for kindness. Seneca, live with purpose and integrity. Envision a leader whose actions and words are perfectly aligned, inspiring trust and admiration. This leader's integrity is a guiding star that is deeply missed in their absence. Living with purpose and integrity sets a standard that others respect and admire. By aligning our actions with our principles, we become beacons of trustworthiness and reliability. When we are not around, our principled stance is what others miss the most. Example, consider the colleague who always stands by their values no matter the circumstances. Their integrity earns respect, and their absence leaves a noticeable void. Stoic strategies. Define your values. Clearly understand and articulate your core values. Let these guide your decisions and actions. Stay true to your principles. Even in the face of challenges, uphold your integrity. This consistency builds trust and respect. Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. Marcus Aurelius. 6. Embrace impermanence and change. Imagine a sage who embraces the changing seasons with grace, understanding that all things are transient. This sage's acceptance of impermanence is a lesson deeply missed when they are not there to remind us. Embracing impermanence and change is a fundamental Stoic principle. By understanding that everything is transient, we learn to appreciate the present moment and let go of unnecessary attachments. Our ability to adapt and accept change makes our presence comforting and our absence keenly felt. Example, think of the friend who gracefully navigates life's ups and downs, inspiring others to do the same. Their acceptance of change is a source of strength, and their absence is a significant loss. Stoic strategies. Practice gratitude. Regularly reflect on the present moment and express gratitude for what you have. This practice helps in embracing impermanence. Let go of attachments. Focus on the transient nature of things and avoid clinging to them. This mindset fosters resilience and adaptability. The universe is change. Our life is what our thoughts make it. Marcus Aurelius. 7. Seek contentment in simplicity. Envision a philosopher, content with a simple life, finding joy in the small things. This philosopher's simplicity is a refreshing presence that is deeply missed when they are not around. Contentment in simplicity is a core Stoic value. By finding joy in simple things and avoiding the pursuit of excess, we cultivate inner peace and happiness. Our simplicity and contentment become a source of inspiration for others, and our absence leaves a noticeable gap. Example, reflect on the friend who finds happiness in the simplest of pleasures, radiating contentment and peace. Their presence is calming, and their absence is felt deeply. Stoic strategies. Simplify your life. Focus on what truly matters and eliminate unnecessary complexities. This practice fosters contentment. Find joy in the small things. Appreciate and celebrate the simple pleasures of life. This mindset enhances overall happiness and well-being. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. Marcus Aurelius. Foster resilience and inner strength. Picture a warrior who rises stronger after every fall, embodying resilience and inner strength. This warrior's unbreakable spirit is a source of inspiration that is deeply missed in their absence. Resilience and inner strength are the hallmarks of a Stoic mind. By cultivating these traits, we become unshakable in the face of adversity. Our resilience inspires others, and our absence is felt as a loss of a guiding force. Example, think of the colleague who bounces back stronger from setbacks, motivating others to do the same. Their resilience is a beacon of hope, and their absence leaves a void. Stoic strategies. Embrace challenges. View obstacles as opportunities for growth. This mindset strengthens resilience. Cultivate inner strength. Engage in practices that build mental and emotional fortitude, such as mindfulness and self-reflection. The greater the difficulty, the more glory in surmounting it. Epictetus, Stoic strategies. Simplify your life. Focus on what truly matters and eliminate unnecessary complexities. This practice fosters contentment. Find joy in the small things. Appreciate and celebrate the simple pleasures of life. This mindset enhances overall happiness and well-being. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. Marcus Aurelius. 8. Foster resilience and inner strength. Picture a warrior who rises stronger after every fall, embodying resilience and inner strength. This warrior's unbreakable spirit is a source of inspiration that is deeply missed in their absence. Resilience and inner strength are the hallmarks of a Stoic mind. By cultivating these traits, we become unshakable in the face of adversity. Our resilience inspires others, and our absence is felt as a loss of a guiding force. Example, think of the colleague who bounces back stronger from setbacks, motivating others to do the same. Their resilience is a beacon of hope, and their absence leaves a void. Stoic strategies. Embrace challenges. View obstacles as opportunities for growth. This mindset strengthens resilience. Cultivate inner strength. Engage in practices that build mental and emotional fortitude, such as mindfulness and self-reflection. The greater the difficulty, the more glory in surmounting it. Epictetus. Demonstrate unconditional love and acceptance. Envision a healer whose love and acceptance embrace all, providing solace and comfort. This healer's unconditional love is a nurturing presence that is deeply missed when they are not around. Unconditional love and acceptance are powerful forces that bind us together. By demonstrating these virtues, we create deep, meaningful connections. Our love and acceptance become a sanctuary for others, and our absence leaves a profound void. Example, consider the friend who loves and accepts you as you are, providing a safe haven of support. Their presence is a source of comfort, and their absence is a significant loss. Stoic strategies. Practice empathy and compassion. Show genuine care and understanding for others, regardless of their flaws or mistakes. Foster inclusive relationships. Create an environment of acceptance and love where everyone feels valued and supported. Love sometimes injures. Let it be rather your boast that if anyone has a heart, you have not injured it. Epictetus. By embracing these 9 Stoic principles, we cultivate a presence that is deeply cherished and profoundly missed. Through our actions and demeanor, we become legends in our own right, leaving an indelible mark on the hearts and minds of those we touch. Let us walk this path together, embodying the wisdom of the Stoics and inspiring a legacy of strength, resilience, and unwavering character.